following guidance is provided to help you consider what areas of the floating restroom you should focus on when preparing for the winter season. Prior to towing to shore at the end of a season, pump and drain as much water as possible out of the ballast system to prevent freezing and damaged pipes. On older units with the 4-valve water ballast system, it is extremely important that all of the water is flushed from the piping and the valves. Disconnect the flexible lines from the water ballast pump to further drain any water. Compressed air can be used to blow any remaining water out of the lines. When the unit is on the trailer, remove the ballast tank drain plugs to allow any remaining water to drain from the tanks. Reinstall the drain plugs after draining. The flush system should be thoroughly drained, including the pump. Open all valves, break connections where possible, and purge lines with compressed air. Recirculating toilets should be cleaned and drained. If a foot pedal system is in place, consider adding a gallon of antifreeze to 15 gallons of water to keep the diaphragm system lubricated. The central sewage tank should be pumped and empty. Store the trailered floating restroom in a level and secure location. Lock all doors and chock the trailer tires to prevent movement. Any questions about this process can be directed to the engineering team at the Oregon State Marine Board.